Hello everyone, today I'm here with an amazing free AI tool for video generation that comes with over 15 generation models combined in one place, Easemate AI. I've mentioned the link in the description. First, register for free using your Google account. The platform is super simple to use. I took a pre-made prompt from ChatGPT about a duck diving underwater to catch a fish, where the fish releases an electric current. Let's see if our expectation matches reality. I pasted the prompt and selected the runway model to use the sign-up bonus credits. Then I set it to 720p resolution, 5 seconds duration, and clicked Generate. The generation was amazingly fast, and the result was exactly what I imagined. Downloading was also quick and smooth. You can also try other inbuilt generation models in this tool, such as VO3, Seedance, Kling, Midjourney, 1.2.2, and Halo AI. Isn't this an amazing tool? Don't forget to like and share with your friends. I'll be back soon with more great tools.